How to use RawMagnifier widget to create an interactive magnifying glass effect in your Flutter app. Let's get started. First we have to create a variable named drag gesture position and assign it to 0 offset. So what is offset? Offset represents a point in Cartesian space to specify distance from a separately maintained origin. Next, in our widget build function, we create a stack in our scaffold body which is wrapped by a column widget. In our stack, we first create a gesture detector widget which contains on-pen update callback in which we are updating the value of drag gesture position with the local position of drag update details. The local position is basically the offset of the pointer contacting the screen, and in child we create a column containing a text, size box and Flutter logo widget. Next we create a position widget that will contain a raw magnifier widget. We set the left and top properties of the position widget to the dx and dy values of drag gesture position respectively. This causes the magnifying glass to follow the user's finger as they drag it across the screen. Here we have created the raw magnifier widget with the focal point offset set to offset.0. We also set the size of the raw magnifier widget to 200 by 200 and the magnification scale set to 2. This means that whatever is under the magnifying glass will be displayed at twice its original size. Finally, we set the decoration of raw magnifier widget to have a pink border with a width of 3 and the magnifier's opacity to 1. Here you can see when the user drags the finger on the logo, a magnifying glass appears that magnifies whatever is under the glass. The magnifying glass follows the user finger as they drag it around the screen.